Alright, hey guys. So we're doing another unboxing. I haven't really done one in a little bit now, but I got a new thing in the mail I've been waiting for a little while now. Probably waiting about since May of 2016. Maybe even before that. But around that, probably around like May of 2016, I ordered this. And so I've been waiting a while and it finally came in. Super excited. It's the first of the year of 2018 now, so it's kind of cool that this came in. So just to show you what it is my new Pilot. This is made by Waverly Labs. It is a translator. If you guys ever watched like Hitchhiker's Guide or read the books or listened to it on tape or whatever like that, you know of the little Babel fish. This was what that kind of was based around, as far as like something you put in your ear and translates. So I just got mine in. I got the white version. You had 3 different versions you could choose from. You could get the white, the red, or the black version. I don't know if they're going to have other colors in the future, but I did get this on one of the crowdfunding websites. I was super excited about it. I couldn't wait to get it when I heard about it. And the day that it went up to buy, I was in the original group of people to get it. So I was super excited about it. So let's just open up the box real quick and just like look inside. So again, this packaging is really super nice. It's got a nice soft feel on the packaging. So I mean, it's really cool. I like it a lot. But this is the outer case. Here's the inside box. Oops. And here it is right there. So that's the little thing that fell out. They are really small. Like, they're a lot smaller than I kind of pictured they'd be. There's the charging port, different earbuds, and the cable to charge it. So that is really cool. Man, it is small. I mean, it'd have to be small to put in your ears and everything like that, but like in the pictures, it looks so much bigger. So at the moment, how it works is if you want to translate stuff, you put one in your ear and one in the person who's speaking the other language's ear, and then you use an app on your phone, and it will translate back and forth for you so you can understand. They're still working on the software to do translations out in the open. So if you just have it in your ear and someone just comes up to you and starts talking, it should translate. They're still working on that part of the software. But I mean, this is still really cool to get started with. I know there's different language software out there. I know Windows has, or Microsoft has one. I know that Android has one. I know that the iPhone has one as well. But like, it's one of those things that if you just have this going, like, you just already have it in there. You don't have to keep pulling something out and keep doing it. You can just talk with someone and keep talking with them. You don't have to like pull the thing out and like have to be like, what'd you say? You can just have it and just have a conversation with someone. So I think that's where this will really excel. Because I know some people have talked that they're just use an app, just use the app. I really think that the conversations is where this is going to really excel at. So the little charging case, I mean, I guess you could use it as a traveling case as well. It shows left and right. All right, that has an L on it. So it just fits in there just like that. And that's how it charges. Fit in there just like that. So I'm guessing it's already charged up. It's got blue lights there and it's got red lights on that. I don't know if those blue lights turned off in time, but so I mean, that's pretty neat. Lights up. I think it's very slick. They've been on one of those crowdfunding websites. If you've never done a crowdfunding before, it does take a while because what you're doing is you're funding the technology and stuff, and these are just perks. You can do different versions. You can do it just to support the company. You can do it to get the perks. but they give you updates on how it's coming, the length of time that it should be until you can get them and things like that. But my perk is I definitely wanted one. I definitely wanted to try it. I definitely thought that this kind of technology is really cool and deserving of crowdfunding. So, I mean, I haven't set up the software just yet because this just came a couple days ago. So I just wanted to do an open boxing, show it to you guys, and let you know what this is about and everything. It does come with some languages already built in. They're going to be adding languages over the future. It doesn't say what languages it comes with initially on here. I guess it says that in the app. But one of the things with the crowdfunding is that whoever was a part of the early bird and got in this at the very beginning, you got free languages for the future. So like if there was something coming out that it didn't come out with initially, let's just say like it only come with like Spanish, German, Italian, but you wanted to do like Chinese or I don't know, Greek or something like that. Like, I mean, those would come out later, but you'd have to buy those. But since whoever was a part of this, we get those for free in the future whenever those languages come out. I was looking at some other things that I forgot to just mention. Not only is it used for conversations, but it has a 4-hour battery life. You can use both of them as actual like earbuds to listen to music or any kind of music streaming. You can also use it as a phone headset. So if like you're talking to someone, you can put it in your ear and you can actually talk with them because since it does have a microphone on it, you can actually use it that way. And it is a noise canceling as well. So I think that's really cool. And of course, I just didn't see it because I wasn't looking at the back of the box. I was just really excited to get into it. So I need to set up the software. I need to test it out. I have a few family members that can speak other languages, so I'll probably be playing around with that and get a feeling for it. But anyways, guys, I just want to show it to you and so you guys can get an idea about it. If you're interested, just check out Waverly Labs. If you just put in the search engine, it'll probably come up really quick. So anyways, if you have any questions, I'm going to be playing with it. Definitely ask me below. I might be able to answer it for you, or hopefully I'll be able to answer it for you. But I'll still be playing with it, and I'll be doing some update videos on how well it works and what I think about the app and things like that. So anyways, guys, if you like my channel, like what I do, definitely subscribe to me, check me out, leave me comments below, let me know how I'm doing, and I'll check you later. Bye.